It starts with a desire to belong to something greater than oneself, a hunger for responsibility unlike any other, for service to a just cause, and a devotion to leading Marines 24/7. We have the honor of taking America's best and brightest and making them into quality citizens. This challenge requires sacrifice, dedication, and a thorough understanding of the basics. It is our solemn duty to maintain morale and motivation through adversity, hardship, and whatever challenges face our nation. It is up to us to foster a culture of professionalism, teamwork, and indomitable spirit, to ensure that tomorrow's battles will be fought and won. So go forth, take initiative, set the example, and know forever that you lead those we call the few, the proud Marines.